Okay, now we are going to do the final sounds assessment. Part 1, phoneme isolating. Now I will say some more words. Listen to the ending sound of each word. Tell me which sound you hear at the end. Listen to the word sit. I hear a t sound at the end of the word. Say the word pig with me. Pig. What is the sound you hear at the end of pig?
P.
I hear a g sound at the end of pig. We're looking at the last sound. Okay, say each word after me and tell me the last sound. Tell.
T.
Door.
And do this.
Oh, we're gonna use mine. What? Okay. We're going to do this word. What's the last sound in the word door? Okay. What is the last sound in lion? Or O?
L.
L?
And I do it.
Good job. Okay. What is the last sound in the word food?
L.
Okay. What is the last sound in the word beds?
B.
Now, Isaiah, we're going to move on and do part 2, phoneme matching. Now, I will say some more words. Listen to the ending sound of each word. Tell me which 2 words end with the same sound. Let me show you. Listen to these words: sun, king, fun. 2 of the words end with the same sound. Sun ends with the same sound as fun.
S.
N. It is the letter N, but the sound is n. Let us say the next words together. 2 of the words end with the same sound. Can you tell me which 2 end with the same sound? Listen. Peach, frog, pig. You don't know? Okay. Well, frog and pig both end with the g sound. Can you hear that? Frog,
Frog.
pig.
Pig.
Very good. Okay, listen to each group of words and tell me which 2 have the same ending sound. Tall, pipe, ball. Okay. Okay, now listen to the next set and tell me which ones have the same ending sound. Sand, land, home.
Home. And some.
Okay, now tell me which of these next set of words have the same sound at the end. Isaiah, we're going to do this one now. Far, gum, car. You don't know? Okay. Okay, now tell me which 2 have the same ending sound in the words sing, boys, toys.
Toys.
Okay. Now tell me what the ending, which 2 have the same ending sounds in the words bat, run, man.